Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Transamerica, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To connect with Transamerica, start by visiting their official website. Look for the Contact Us section, usually located at the bottom of the home page. Click on the link to access various communication options. You'll find phone numbers for customer service, depending on your specific needs. Choose the appropriate number and dial it to speak with a representative. If you prefer online communication, look for the live chat option. Click on the chat icon to initiate a conversation with a support agent. For inquiries that don't require immediate responses, consider using the email option. Select the email link and fill out the required fields with your information. Make sure to include a clear subject line and detailed message regarding your inquiry. For account-related inquiries, log in to your Transamerica account. Navigate to the support section once logged in. This area provides additional resources and contact options specific to your account. If you're looking for social media engagement, visit Transamerica's profiles on platforms like Facebook and Twitter. Follow them to stay updated on news and announcements. You can also send direct messages through these platforms for support. Lastly, if you prefer in-person assistance, locate a nearby Transamerica office using the website's Office Locator tool. This will help you find the nearest branch and its contact details. That's how you can connect with Transamerica effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.